The beautiful country of Zimbabwe has many beautiful places, some of them untamed. Tinokuchingamidzai muchirongwa What We Offer. Zita rangu ndinoitwa Stella Mumusha. Nasi muchirongwa tiri ku Stephen Margolis Resort. Uko kwavachatiudza kuti ivo pachidimu cheZimbabwe chii chavari kupa kunyika.
Hello everybody, my name is Leroy Margolis and I'd like to welcome you to Zimbabwe's best and most exciting tourist destination, the Stephen Margolis Resort.
Hi, welcome to Stephen Margolis Resort. My name is Kimberly Dube. I'm going to talk about the reception and how we welcome people to Stephen Margolis Resort. So when we welcome people at Stephen Margolis Resort, they come to the reception first after acquiring from the security. So by the reception, we talk about basically everything that we find here at Stephen Margolis Resort. We have got guests coming in for accommodation. We tell them about the prices of the rooms. For the standard room, going for $65 bed and breakfast for double bed, and for the deluxe they're going for $80 as well, bed and breakfast as well. And for the executives, they're going for $100 for one night as well for the double bed. And we also explain to them what we find also at the resort. We do have activities at the entertainment area, the when we call Patsanga area. We have got the speedboat going for $5, boat cruising. That's the speedboat as well, going for $5. And we've got the zip line going for $5, the giant swing going for $5 as well, and the horse riding going for $5 as well. And the only exception is the canoeing that goes for $3. But other all activities go for $5 here at the Stephen Margolis Resort. And what we also find by the reception is the receptionist informing you guys about each and everything that we have here. And we're so welcoming at Stephen Margolis Resort. You find the smiles and the homely feel that you get at Stephen Margolis Resort.
We see that Zimbabwe is so beautiful, but it couldn't be this beautiful if there weren't people who are doing so much like you are doing. Tell us, how did Stephen Margolis Resort start?
Well, firstly, thank you to Destiny TV for coming today and for being here with us. We really appreciate you coming to enjoy our 75 acres of wonderful paradise in the heart of Harare.
75?
75 acres of beautiful paradise carved out of seemingly nothing. We've created this over a period of 12 years. Our first event was a wedding, which we held on our beautiful dam waters, which we'll show you later, in 2011. And what you see is the culmination of 12 years of work and development, hard work and solid development to give you the most exciting venue in Zimbabwe today.
So today in the program, this is what we offer. We would like to know, what is it that Stephen Margolis offers to Zimbabweans, to the world in general?
Yes, so we have a number of exciting products and services that we offer at Stephen Margolis Resort. So on the corporate side, we have conferences, we do team building for corporates, we do leadership training for corporates as well, we do private events. So if any corporates are looking to come and host their Christmas parties or just general sort of exhibitions at Stephen Margolis Resort, we offer all of that to corporates and all of our corporate clients. We have many, many corporate clients that come here time and time again because of the services that we offer and the fact that they enjoy their time here. In addition to that, for our local clients and international clients, we have activities that we do at Stephen Margolis Resort. So as we take you around, you'll see our zip line, you'll see our speedboat cruising, our canoeing, horse riding. We've got a kids play area, a 20 by 30 meter giant swimming pool with a 50 meter water slide. We are the water world of Zimbabwe today. We have a VR simulator and many, many more activities that we offer, which you will see today. We are, as a venue today, we believe the only venue in Zimbabwe that offers so many activities in a single place. And then, of course, we've got our accommodation as well. So we can accommodate both corporate and private individuals and in our beautiful rooms, which we will show you. Wonderful 52 rooms that we've got here at Stephen Margolis Resort, all very, very well furnished and very comfortable for you to come and enjoy and to spend a time refreshing at Stephen Margolis Resort.
So in other words, you are saying you have something for everyone.
We have something for everyone and anyone. We love this place so much and we want people to come and enjoy Stephen Margolis Resort. We're a wonderful venue for people to just even come for day outings. The way that we price everything is so that everyone can come and enjoy us. Our entry is very reasonable. All of our activities are a simple $5. Imagine coming to do a zip line for just $5. If you go to Nyanga or you go to Victoria Falls, for example, you're looking at hundreds of dollars for the same excitement and enjoyment that you can get at Stephen Margolis Resort. So we are truly a venue for everyone, and we want everyone to come and enjoy a piece of this paradise that we've developed.
And today we are seeing that you have a pink ribbon. Why?
So today, Stephen Margolis Resort is hosting a family fun day in aid of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So what we are doing is we are joining up with the Cancer Serve Trust, and we are also going to be doing screenings at Stephen Margolis Resort. Screenings for breast cancer and also teaching people about breast cancer awareness. We're going to have plenty of professionals here speaking about it. We have our partners, Capital FM, also coming to broadcast here and to help us talk about breast cancer awareness, which we feel is a very important subject. Many of our clients are women, many of our staff are women, and breast cancer is one of the biggest cancers in women. So we want to look after our people and we want to educate our people. So for today, 20% of our gate takings will be going towards breast cancer care at Parinyatua Hospital. That's what we are doing, and we're giving back to the community at Stephen Margolis Resort.
That's where I was going to go to say, so you're saying that you also give back to the community?
Yes, we give back to the community. Many of the people that are working here today actually live in and around us. So we are a local employer and we've brought a lot of employment to the local area. We've also got just outside the resort a lot of property which we developed into industrial stands, which has brought further employment into the local area. So we are champions of the local community out here in Waterfalls, and we love the people around us and we want to empower them and we want to help them to grow. As you can see, over here at Stephen Margolis Resort, we have 52 beautifully proportioned rooms and chalets. Our chalets all include double beds, or if you're looking to share, we can split them into 2 single beds for you to share with a friend or family member. All of our rooms also include a living space for you to sit, relax and enjoy. And we also have a refreshment table in the rooms which offers teas, coffees, water, so you can refresh yourself after a long day doing our wonderful activities here at the resort. So you can sit out on your balcony and enjoy this wonderful garden that we have here at Stephen Margolis Resort, including some of the features in the garden, such as our beautiful carved rocks. Behind me here you can see a leopard, but we also have some of Africa's big 5 animals, including lions, hippos, buffalo, and elephants, as well as many other animals carved into our rocks. As well as our 3 sites of African Bushman rock paintings, some of which are estimated to be 2,000 years old.
Hi guys, how are you? My name is Oliver Tiriboy from Stephen Margolis Resort. We call ourselves an adventure and leisure paradise. This is the only place where you should be while you are still living. For the meantime, let me take you to zip line.
Oliver, it sure is a long way up here.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey. Saka
ndo climbing rock yacho nayo
sei yakavhaiswa pamusoro kana kuti tinokwira kunge takutokwira makome kwamutare.
Alright, chinoita kuti this zipline isiyane nekumwe kwese kunombofamba vanhu. This is natural. Takaisa pamusoro pematombo pekuti if somebody akakwirawo dombo anditi kumamisha uko hakuna havazi vanhu vese vanokwanisa kuenda kumamisha oro vachiri kuenda kumamisha. Asi kumbokwira pamusoro pegomo wochibva panapa uchidzika ende panapa isusu tine 3 maziplines. The other one is 250 meters, the other one is 300 meters, the other one is 200 meters. So you can take care uri kuda ipapa.
Chapanapa ndechekuti kutya chaiko. How safe am I? Because ndikubva pamusoro pezidombo ndiri kuenda pasi handisombona kumwe ndonogumira kupi. How safe am I?
Ma'am, your safety is our priority. Why am I saying that? Pamuno timunoda kungokwira chete pazipline pedo munobva mapfekedzwa harness robva raonekwa kunzi rasunga zvakasimba. Vakomanawo ndo basa ravanozwira vachiita. Mubva mapfeka headgear zvekare handitika madaro mochizotanga kuchikwira masteps enyu mochienda pazipline maakudzika ende pamunodzika I tell you ichi chinhu chinotakura 10 ton. Saka pamunhu anorema 50, ma50, ma60, ma80, ma100 kg chaiwo.
Ndenda kutotya kuti ndindotakurika here.
Imimi munota.
Atizodemuka ndi pakati.
Azviti.
Okay.
Azviti.
So I can't
kana
wait.
gonya tichairo tokona risungirira rikadzika rikakusvika kuzasu.
If you say I'm safe, I can't wait. Let's do this.
Let's do this. Mumboona kuti zvinonatsa kufamba sei. Done. You were scared.
I was. Kwekutanga, I was so scared. I was skeptical. Am I safe?
So tell me about the feeling.
The feeling you can't explain it, but it feels like you're flying. I think I was like a bird and but I felt lighter when I was watching.
Yes. Tell me.
This is something that almost everyone should come and experience.
Yeah, it's true, ma'am. It's true.
And Margolis, everyone can actually afford to come and also experience.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And last time, you're saying, Oliver, risky, what? Anything to say?
I felt safe because
okay, let me explain it. Right. Isimbi andakabata inoyi. Isimbi yekuti ndo inenge yakahuka this rail. Anditika. Ichi ndo chizondoneswa pareo apa nditi. Pachinchaiswa pareo. Achitubvunyuke anoenda tadza shona andagona. Nemhaka yekuti pachinenge chakaloka panapa it needs someone kubva from somewhere. Oya ochitenderedza like this. Oya panapa panditika. Oti up chotanga achikwidza nditika. Twist anditi ndokuti chivhurike. So kana muri mudenga omu apana pachichazoti up twist chega everyone anouya panapa nditika afanonge ari scared kuuya paStephen Margolis Resort kuzenge achita zipline nemhaka yekuti isusu chinhu chatinotanga kuenda kunonotarisa it's safety. Why upenyu hwemunhu tinohukoshesa?
Zvizhinji zvatinokwanisa kudzidza kana tichinge tauya kunoku. Munomu tiri muimba kitchen chaiyo yekumusha. Zvese zvaishandiswa kana kuti zvinoshandiswa kumusha zviri pano.
Okay, tiri pano paStephen Margolis Resort. As you can see, Stephen Margolis Resort inzvimbo yekufarira, inzvimbo yekuita zvakawanda handiti. So, patiri panapa pa culture house, as you can see, tiri paimba yekubikira. Pachishona kitchen inonzi bikiro handiti. So zvatiri pamusoro webikiro yedu makatarisa tine zvakawanda, tine makate, tine hadyana, tine tsaiya, mapfuko aripo, mbiya dzirimo. So zvazvakanakira kuya paStephen Margolis Resort for vana vechikoro kunyanya kune vana vanodzidza muHarare vasati vambosvika kumusha, so ndo mukana wekuziva zvinowanika kumamisha, mararamiro anoita vanhu kumamisha neaita futi vanhu kudhara handiti. So zvamunoita makauya paStephen Margolis Resort, tine ma-rock paintings, ma-original rock paintings yakaitwa nemakhoisans aya history, zvinobatsira kuvana vechikoro. Tinovaitisa anonzi ma-educational tours, tovaratidzawo zvatinazvo zvatinooffer paStephen Margolis Resort. So vauya tinotendera navo tichivaratidza zvese ma-activities, then tozoya navo kunoku manje, kunoku kwatozovadzidzisa about mumba patiri panapa mubikiromo. Iyi imba yatinoti bikiro iyi imba yaamai handiti. Pachishona zvinonzi amai vese, nyange murume wakaita vakadzi 7, mukadzi wega wega anofanira kunge ane bikiro yake. Saka ikodzero yaamai kuva nemba yavo. Pachishona zvinonzi uchipinda muimba iyi, kana uri murume haupinde neheti, unobvisa heti kuremekedza imba yani yaamai. So pane vakawanda vane zvakawanda zvekudzidza. Then tine museum futi matinoratidza vanhu ma-hunting tools zvaishandiswa kudhara. Tine zvemacultures akawanda zvatinooffer futi paStephen Margolis Resort.
Right, panapa paStephen Margolis Resort we have a museum, ndiyo iri panapa pai. Today ndina Mr. Tanaka, our tour guide, kana takamira pa museum. Ndova ndichakusiya muchitaura nezvavo. Vakamira nhasi inonzi Rejoice Junior School. Guys, say hi! Hi! So all the schools are kuya pa Stephen Margolis Resort. Vachizonodzidzisa vana vavo tsika nemagariro. Kana tichitaura zvepaStephen Margolis Resort, tiri kuti Mutapa State tinenge takaibata, Great Zimbabwe tinenge takaibata, Rose State tinenge takaibata, Ndebele State ari kupiko simudza tone bebe. Ndebele State zvekare tinenge takaibata. So for this meantime, regai ndisire Mr. Tanaka vapedze zvese.
Okay, thank you guys, thank you. Okay, pamuseum pedu tine zvinhu zvakawanda. Vanhu vazhinji havazive zvinhu zviri panapa apa izvi. Tine ma-hunting tools zvaishandiswa nemadzitateguru edu kudhara. Tine hosho idzidzi nanhasi dziri kushanda, ma-musical instruments. Then tine chimbo iyi for Great Zimbabwe. Then tine this one, basket iri represent the Tonga people, the Tonga tribe kunana binga uko. Then tine mbezo, vanhu vazoti mbezo inoshandei, ndiyo inoveza zvese izvi, maduri, matsvimbo, matemo zvese. Then uya panapa shamwari. Then kudhara kusati kwane hembe, munoziva vanhu vakudhara vaipfeka nhembe, mapa neshashiko zviripo izvi. Then panapa mukoma ava vakabata bakatwa iri handiti, vakabata gano ravo, gano. Then iri randakabata iri ndo rinonzi bakatwa, makatarisa mune banga mukati. Then panapa ndina sisi for Tonga people, marusera. Then sisa vakabata museve wavo. Then avava vakabereka pesi yavo, ndo yatinoti nhava handiti. Then uyai apa mukoma, ava vakabata pfumo ravo handiti marona. Then tine n'anga yedu iri panapa iyi yakapfeka ngundu yayo handiti. Then ava vakabata pfuti yavo ava handiti, vakabata bakatwa ravo handiti. Then avava vane shield yavo handiti, nemuseve wavo. Iyi pachishona ndo inonzi nhoi handiti. Then apa ndina sisi ava, sisi chimboitai basa toni. Okay, batai makadai sisi. Then apa bata makadai chinyatsodzura toni zvine simba. Tine duri nemutswa apa handiti. Then tine muridzi wembira panapa, ridzai toni mukoma. Yeah, then apa tina muvhimi futi uyu utane museve zvake zviripo handiti. Okay, so guys, come kuStephen Margolis Resort mudzidze handiti. Vana vechikoro ngavauye vazive about tsika nemagariro edu echishona handiti. Ndinoti thank you.
We have 62 indigenous tree species here at Stephen Margolis Resort, and we've taken the time and the effort to label one of each species of indigenous tree species that we have here at Stephen Margolis Resort. So over here, we have tree number 39, which is Inshona Muchabobo Muvuka, which is one of our indigenous tree species. It is a fruit tree, although it is a poisonous fruit tree. This is tree number 39. So we have 62 labels across the resort. And when children come here for their cultural heritage tours, and the environmental tours. We take them around and we show them the indigenous tree species that we have here. Of course, some of them are better known. We have mutoe, we have your acacia trees. They're all around the resort and can be seen by the children, but some of them are more unique and lesser known as well. Welcome to the Patanga Entertainment Area at Stephen Margolis Resort. Behind me here you can see our kids play area. It's got 2 paddle pools, climbing frames, slides, and a jumping castle and many, many other activities to keep your kids entertained for a very long period of time. Every mid-month at Stephen Margolis Resort we have special days. Today, as we mentioned, we have a family fun day in aid of breast cancer awareness, and that means your kids get to go free into the kids' play area. Also at Patanga Entertainment, we have a kitchen where we offer a diverse range of meals, pizzas, burgers, sadza, chicken, quarter chicken and chips. That can all be found here at Stephen Margolis Resort. We have a butchery where you can get your great fresh meat and have our braai masters braai your meat for you. Flavorful, fresh meat from Stephen Margolis Resort. We have plenty of braai stands around where you can braai yourself as well and enjoy the entertainment we have to offer. We have music, and this is also where we do events, including live events. So please come and enjoy our Patanga Entertainment Area. You do not need to book to come here. You can come here like these people have done today and have a wonderful, wonderful time. At Stephen Margolis Resort, we offer weddings as well. We have a range of places for you to choose from your weddings, from our gazebos, which can hold up to 1,000 people, to our beautiful dam waters. So behind me here, you can see our dam waters, and we hold what we consider to be the most unique wedding in Zimbabwe. So we have a float, a Stephen Margolis Resort float. The wedding party goes on that float. That's the bride, the groom, the maid of honor, the groomsman, and the pastor, and they get pulled out over the water in front of Dada gazebo. The gazebo you can see behind me called Dada, the duck. Your wedding party and your wedding people, your guests will be sat in Dada, where they will be waiting for you and watching you whilst you have your wedding on our beautiful dam waters. It is incredibly unique and is one of our most favorite weddings that we love to host. We have a range of packages for you to choose from for our weddings. We will basically give you a wedding planner who will help you to manage your wedding and to decide what it is that you would like on the day. And we will then develop a package specifically for you and unique to you so that you can have the wedding that you would like to have at Stephen Margolis Resort. So please, if you'd like to have a wedding, get in touch with us and we will help you to prepare the most amazing package for your wedding.